Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Magis TV on Firestick. So this is very important. The very first thing is that ensure your Firestick is powered on and connected to internet, and the app is necessary, the downloader app for side loading Magis TV, since it's not available in Amazon App Store here. Right, so how you can do this? So basically the first thing is that enable developer option. Now once you enable the developer option, and the developer option should be turned on because it's really important. So from the Fire Stick home screen, navigate to the settings, select my Fire Stick TV, click developer option, enable app from unknown sources. By the way guys, if your developer option is not turned on, then you will see an option of about, right? So click on this option on about for 7 or 8 times, then your developer option will be turned on. Then go to the app from unknown sources, you will see your downloader option. Now turn it on. Generally it's always by default turn off. Return the home screen and select the search icon, type downloader in the search bar, select the downloader app with an orange background and install it. Open the downloader app. In the URL field, enter the direct download link for the Magis TV. Right, let me show you this. Right, let me zoom you up. You can just copy this up. Now click on and go to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, you will be prompted to install the app. Click on install to proceed the installation. After installation, you can choose to click done or open. Return to your Fire Stick home screen, navigate to your app section and find Magis TV. Launch the app and log in your credentials if required. Now, thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment section.